Hi, I'm Loni Lewis. I'm the owner of Bar Black, and also we're here at Tandem Coffee and Spirits, and we're making a delicious cocktail called the Savannah Sandman. The first ingredient is going to be a bar spoon of orange marmalade. And then we're going to go in with 0.5 ounces of coffee, cold coffee. So this is an excellent way to use that leftover coffee that is just kind of like, you don't want to throw it out, but you don't know what to do with it. You can make a delicious mocktail. The third ingredient is going to be pineapple juice. We're going to go 1 ounce of that. And then we have our local Rootman cucumber shrub. Delicious shrub from a veteran-owned company here locally in Savannah. And that's gonna be all we're gonna put in the tin for this cocktail. I'm gonna fill that with ice. Give it a nice shake. And you'll find that the coffee in this cocktail might sound weird with cucumber, but it gives it a nice little, like, just refreshingness, like with the cucumber, and it gives a nice depth to the cocktail. So you're gonna pour that over ice. And then we're gonna garnish it with a lemon. Just express some of that lemon on there. Go around the rim, put it down inside. You can do 2 lemons if you want, have fun with it. And here you have the Savannah Sandman. Enjoy.